Hello guys, welcome back to Creative Invent YouTube channel. Today I'll be sharing with you guys 6 healthy habits to help you lose weight if you have gained weight during lockdown. Number 1 is having breakfast. During the pandemic, many office workers switched to work from home arrangement, allowing them to avoid early morning commutes. Because we usually have to fight traffic to get our job on time. So we usually skip our breakfast, and ran out of time is a common excuse for skipping our breakfast. Some folks use the time saved by them not to rush rather than improve their self-care of doing basic things like eating breakfast, and this can help you lose weight. Those who skip breakfast were more likely to consume more added sugars, carbs throughout the day. Some elements you want in healthy diet like fiber are commonly front-loaded for the day at breakfast. See, number 2 is homemade lunch. Many people were forced to go out without their lunch specials as offices closed due to pandemic, right? Less than 0.1% of meal eaten at fast food restaurants were of excellent nutritional quality. As people return to work in great numbers, preparing lunch for office can help them maintain a healthy weight. Number 3, skipping restaurants. See, many people have finding themselves eating out significantly less frequently than they used to due to closure and capacity restriction at restaurants. This is unmistakably a good thing in terms of weight loss. 92% of restaurants serve far more calories than you require for a given meal. Number 4, weighing yourself. If you wear fitted clothes to work every day, a tight waistline can indicate that you are gaining weight. It's been proven that weighing yourself more frequently leads to greater weight results. It's a good idea to keep it up even if you return to zippered pants. Number 5, eating whole grains and beans. People stocked up on shelf-stable goods like dried beans and whole grain early in the pandemic to help reduce grocery shop trips. Eating these meals more frequently is beneficial to gut health. People who eat a lot of them have a better chance of maintaining a healthy weight. People who consume 3 servings of whole grains per day had smaller waist circumference increase than those consumed little or no grains. It's important that we keep this essential on our shopping list. Number 6, cooking more. If you were on social media during the pandemic, you most likely saw more homemade cooked meals than usual. Day after day, people were forced to regain their ability to make meals, and many found their enthusiasm for doing so. Cooking at home is the king of healthy habits. Studies show that those who cook for themselves consume fewer calories and enjoy a higher quality diet.